This day in DRV News. The world boss are dominate. Frais say I'm gonna get the best. Pennies, Pelflon, clear the ear. Massacre, yeah, generation of kings, you know. Buju Banton make you know this. Rvssian are going some tips, you see me? Skilly bang and show off the ice. Bounty Killer say more reggae music. First time in our life I jump off.
Dancehall reggae vibes. Keep it locked.
Only like this. Swear to God that you me rather. But me coulda never love you like my daughter, Adriana. Clean your force, pearl white, say Madonna, dark. See me young going like you not see me, Stevie Wonder. We a kick it like Kung Fu Panda, Honda. Come on.
Yep, people, you don't know it's your boy Grizzly Bear out there with another one. DRV News. Zine say you don't know the most controversial artists who create a big wave them right now. Vybz Kartel. Zine, yeah, in the elevator move with him daughter. You don't know that song there was dedicated to Adiana. You see me and say, yeah, him coulda never love no other. You see it? Yeah, them a kick it like Kung Fu Panda. You know that song there? Yeah, Kartel I set a different type of energy within the eyes of the people, you know what I mean? I love the way I deal with them youth them.
I want to make the most perfect, beautiful, amazing song with Vybz Kartel. He's really my favorite artist. Like he's literally my number one artist.
Yes, and more on Vybz Kartel. So Cardi B, as you can see, it look like she in her bed a go and all her vibes. Zine, and it's like an epiphany liquor or something. But she make the world know say Vybz Kartel is her number one artist. Zine, our number one, our favorite number one artist in the world. Zine, and she wants to make the perfect song with Vybz Kartel. And she elaborate the perfect song with the teacher. Zine, produced by Rvssian. So you don't know the music business setup, or you know how the world boss work already. Yeah? So once you see these opportunities and this proposal come forward, you know the world boss are going to capitalize on it. Zane, so you can look forward for that. And more on Kartel, because I tell you people, Kartel I put in a whole heap of energy. You see me I say? So him have a message for the youth them, wearing him and Mooney.
Message to the ghetto youth them, you know? Never give up. Just work hard for your goals and put God first. Now, a while ago, me and Mooney they are reason and thing, and I see a man a shot pass on a bicycle, and me I say, Mooney, watch there. And the dog laugh and I say, no, long me not see a bicycle. And me they are reason, and me I tell him, say, yo, remember one time back in the days when me a youth, me dying for own a bicycle. And you see it? With the help of hard work and the help of God, a whole heap of houses and cars, man, own. A whole heap of money, you see it? So remember that ghetto you, never give up. Always work hard and put God in front of everything. Have a blessed day.
But look at him now. A Porsche, Prado. Zine, the amount of money we have. So look at the issue about the Prado. See them in the range. I maintain the range. You see me and say, and the man himself, you see me and say, Adidja Palmer, World Boss Kartel, in the new brand new brand new Porsche. Yeah, actively out. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, a skate badness.
Answer this plain. Who want the Kartel interview? Come me know for a fact and me I gonna have the best interview with Vybz Kartel and I ask Christ that. You see me? But at the same time, if we not get the interview, we just not get the interview. And there's no hard feelings about it.
So, this is what Frais have to say. You see me I say, prior to the fact that Adidja Palmer, the world boss, has been freed for a you know, over in a period of time now, and you don't know as the one of the biggest platform that has been interviewing a lot of the major acts, comedians, artists in Jamaica have not or has not yet gotten an interview from Vybz Kartel. So he's letting us know that he's going to get the best. He's gonna have the best interview with Adidja Palmer. Yes? And also, if he does not get an interview with Adidja Palmer,
Okay.
Because the Jamaican community,
Mm.
fraternity,
Mm.
however, wherever, or the Jamaican people
Mm-hmm.
need to know, and I never sued Shenseea
Okay. Okay.
for my song.
Okay.
and my people, if you haven't subscribed as yet, it would be nice. So me and say if you subscribe, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, comment, yeah, like and share. Then, yeah man, it would have helped to build dancehall reggae vibes, you know what I mean, platform, and motivate the small team of us that is putting in this energy. So, Denise Belfon, you all know this name, right? Sing that song there. That song there. Put your back in it. Just that, you know. I'm never sing it out no more. So there was this thing wherein when that song dropped, you don't know, lawsuits rise up and all sort of things. And then you know how the internet community is, where they just go off to say I saw it go when more time the thing no go nowhere near that. So Denise Belfon is finally clearing the air, right? Saying she loves Shenseea and she would never, never sue her for her song, right? She love her like cook food in Jamaican terms, and she is proud of her. So she is letting us know that this is how legal papers and legal rights to music are. The reason why that happened was because her management set the legal papers in a certain way, wherein you use certain tags because she's the co-writer of the song. This is Denise Belfon. She's the co-writer of the song. If someone should use this punch or anything, they would be called forward. So it wasn't her herself who sued Shenseea, but when the song was produced, these legal rights were implicated. So the song was protected under. You know what I mean? So anybody trouble it or anybody feel like say, yeah, them can boycott the thing, a problem. But Denise Belfon is just letting the world know that she would never, ever sue Shenseea. Yeah, people, clear the air. So, Shenseea go over New Zealand, go bungee jump, people. Yeah. Remember, you know, don't be fooled and be tricked. I'm not say this in a no bad way. You see how she soft, sexy and petite and pretty? But a rough fian. You see her? And every woman have the heart for go jump off, you know. You hear her? Woo! When she go at the edge, it's not every female have the heart. Not even male. Enough man. Nah go up there so. Where she there. Jump off with phone. Look on her face. You know what I say? Her eyes them wide open, bright like the sun. And she just look like a young little child having fun and with no cares in the world. You know what I say? this is bungee jumping, people. Bungee jumping. Her first time. Her first. She didn't do it before. Might do a couple zip line and fly through some bush. But bungee jumping members are upside down type of behavior in the people. Then you're spranging in. You know what I mean? Sprang. Is it? This is Shenseea, people. Yeah, the artist, the female artist, the one who wanna love. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, man. So no wonder why she bad, so.
What do you remember of those times, the early days in your career, Massacre?
You know, say, to be honest, Shani, I some of the most enjoyable moments them in my career, as in the hardship and, you know, just experience the street, experiencing, trying to build yourself, going through the different stages them in your career. And it when I tell any young artist that appreciate the journey, it's very important, like the root, the body, you know what I mean, not just the end result, all I make everything come together.
So, you know, the journey of 1,000 miles only begin with a simple step. Zin. And right now, Massacre, I make the people them know. Zin. Yeah, at the IFJA, you see me, I say them go to grab him and have an interview with the charge. And, you know, so they ask about the earlier stages, you know, reminiscing on the earlier stages of his career. And, yeah, man, make the people them know, say, at the nicest part of the career, that the part of interacting, indulging, and finding the nits and crans and how to make it work. You see me, I say? Yeah, it's like puzzle piece. So, him same full joy the earlier stages of his career, because those fundamental blocks helped him to create the Massacre that you're hearing today. Zin. So the artists are reminisce and I show the people them say, never forget where you're forward from. You know what I mean? Because those things or those places helped you to nurture and mold the individual that you are today. You see it? Massacre, big up yourself, you know, my J. You see me, I say, generation of kings, you hear me talk? Yeah, people, so you know, Gargamel, Bojo Banton, also an artist free up from Babylon incarceration. Out here. You see me, I say, yeah, I do it big. Seeing, so Bojo Banton there in Canada, a whole of vibes. And I make you know, say, it's so cool. You have to stop it with a jacket. You see me, I say, yeah, man. And there is a big event, you know what I mean, a Scotiabank Arena, and it's going to be lit. He might go over there and catch a fire, because the place cold, he might have to catch a fire to keep the place warm. So Bojo Banton, I make the moves them for reggae, yeah, advocate for reggae, and I keep it moving. Destiny!
Come with me on a first date. Hold the door so she thinks you're a gentleman.
So, you know what I going from what here with the, you know, the dating shows and all of these program and, you know, sour love, bitter love, you know, all of these type of things are going. So Rvssian is giving dating tips, you know. So on his first date, you see me I say, roll out with him 2 phones, you see me I say, make him little list of questions and thing, 1 phone on the table and, you know, yeah, and you see me I say, when he make the order, you know, he might give pointers and chat at the pictures and stuff. You know what I mean? There are certain things where you have to do for articulate a certain type of vibe and type of energy. You see what I say? So, you know, Rvssian, I get a smooth criminal type of vibration and things. So, I want you to watch and tell me in the comments if you agree with the approach. You see me, I say, and tell me if I saw you would I go up on your first date and I saw you that if I saw you that deal with it. You see what I say? Rvssian. Alright, people. So, when we talk about drip, we talk about clothes, zine, and when we talk about ice, we talk about chain and diamond and them type of something there. Zin. So Skill Bang a show off him new jewelry. You see me I say? Yeah man, him new jewelry, you see me I say, and it's like the charger I catch all the accent. You see me I say where jewelry come from. Yeah man, cause everything real and then a capping. You see me I say? When I check the grill them, when I check the chain, you can see crocodile teeth. You see me I say? Yeah man, the man them make the crocodile man. With the crocodile teeth, yeah man, see it there, you see me I say? And then the man them put the ring in a one something. And make you know straightforward say, see if it red. If it is red, it fake. See? I'm going to tell you in a machine. So you know, say once you go in a machine and the machine tell you say ding 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 ding, you know say a real heavyweight something. So Skilly Bang, big up yourself on the journey in the youth and go on full joy life and full joy the whole life blessings them, you see it?
Yeah, it's a serious thing, yes man, because I don't understand. Remember we have big legendary reggae music. If you can't find a current great one to play legendary classics. But you cannot play in Jamaica and you don't play reggae. You're not celebrating Jamaica. Because it's not dancehall put Jamaica on the map. It's reggae put Jamaica on the map. And dancehall come from rubber dub and reggae. So reggae is the root of our music.
Bounty the Killer, tell us. There is so much legendary reggae music. Yet still the DJ them in a dancehall not playing none of them in the art segment and all them something there. And they should remember that reggae music is the culture of Jamaica. Reggae music is what made dancehall and reggae music is what put Jamaica on the map. So these DJs need to play more of the authentic reggae music. And if you can't find none and no none play Bob Marley. Yeah. The artists that make the youth them know say, listen, when I forward in this music business as this jockeys as I play music, we need to have a lion log of reggae music. The Asians them, the golden reggae music. Then I remember reggae music bigger. There is no song we're bigger than reggae music. So this is what Rodney Price, Bounty the Killer, and make the people them know. Mr. Jamaica, and make uno know say there is no song bigger than reggae songs, reggae music. So you want to hear more, cause Bounty Killer in the street with the youth them every night. Uptown Monday, Bossy Tuesday, Weddy, yeah. Straight to Bounty Sunday shift. You see what I say? The artist want to hear more reggae music. And he's also been advocating for this. For months, he speaks promptly and he speaks highly of reggae music being played in dancehall. In the mids of the jump up, and the whole ray. That's all the artists I say. Don't try go around it.
Vegas was far from being one of my favorite performers. He's always a favorite artist of mine because me and him and Terry call them. The whole I used to hang out a big ship during the time when him bus. But he was far from being my favorite performer. Yeah. Now, me feel like Vegas is the greatest dancehall performer we have to the day. Me not see nobody where I do it better than him on a stage right now. Me I go always give him that props there. True. You over me I say, so it's something where you grow into. Me, I wasn't as good as I am now then. Yeah. I grew into it. Growth. And the more show you do, the more, you master it still.
So, Bugle was interviewed and asked some questions. And this is what Bugle, Circle the World like Google artists had to say. Presently in performance arts, he is declaring Mr. Vegas Zine as the greatest performer currently in the dancehall arena. And he's saying it's an art within itself. Wherein, yeah, you can be a DJ, you can DJ the whole of your songs them and stuff. But when it comes to performance, which is this, is a stage, is an approach, is when you jump on the stage, you have 5 million people in front of you, 1 million people in front of you, 2 million people in front of you, 400,000 people in front of you. And it's not like you're in a booth to sing a song. No, you are required to perform, to entertain. Zin. So I make the people them know say, yo, them used to hang out on a big ship. You see me and say, yeah man, the man Tyrical them and all of them used to hang out on a big ship. And through his observation from them time till now, Mr. Vegas a do it. Zin. And that's all Bugler for make people them know say, more and more you do the stage performance, the better you get at performing, at projecting. You know what I mean?